Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So me and my buddy Nate, we are headed to go pick up another motorcycle for the channel in Mobile. If you haven't already, t-shirts are now live on my website. I'll have a link down in the description. It's shopttorres.com. So I've been wanting to get another bike on the channel, and this bike's going to be a little bit of a surprise on what I'm getting. I've kind of hinted at what I was going to get. So if you follow my Instagram and my stories and stuff, you'll know which bike is coming to the channel. So we are probably, what does it say? We're like 21 minutes out from picking up the bike. It's going to be a probably hour and a half, maybe 2 hour ride back. So the goal is to, obviously Nate's driving us up there, and I'm gonna ride the bike back and get a good feel for the bike. So I'm super excited to be bringing a new bike to the channel, and it's crazy to think before I even bought the bike, I've already got parts coming for it. So I'm excited to start a new build, and yeah, make sure you guys go copy a t-shirt. All right, so we have some time to kill before the bike actually shows up. So Nate, now is your time to let them know about the Focus ST. As you can see, check out the what's the color of the wrap called?
It is Psychedelic Satin Flip.
And what year and what all's done to it?
2018 CST1 package. It's got a full Roush catback exhaust, Central Florida Motorsport catless downpipe, rally armor flaps, full tint all the way around on all the lights.
And who's it tuned by?
It is tuned by Stratified. It's the Crackle tune, 93 Crackle tune. Roush intake piping, Mishimoto intercooler, TV performance, front end, crash bar. Let's see, it's pretty bright out here. Got some quality of life modifications. Some quality of life mods, like hood struts. Let's see, sound composer delete.
Just your normal basic Focus stuff, because if you've been following the channel for a while, you know I used to own a ST as well. I think mine was a 2017.
Yep.
What did you say yours is a 2018?
2018, yeah. Last year.
Right.
Yeah, it's pretty much basic stuff. All bolt-ons you can get off of like CJ Pony or whatever. Only thing I haven't bolted on is a bigger turbo. So other than that, it's pretty much all the boxes checked. Oh, and it's got slotted front and rear brakes.
Yeah, I didn't notice that.
With some Stop Tech rotors and some Hawk ceramic pads, so it grabs pretty hard.
Word.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I've done to her.
Yep. All right, so we're gonna continue to wait, and the bike should be here momentarily. So I just wanted to fill the gap. So cool. Thanks for going over your car.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, so here we have it. This is the next bike we have on the channel. We got a 2019 KTM Duke, and it currently has 3,300 miles on it. So I think I got a pretty good deal on it. Now the previous owner of the bike, he said he didn't mind being on camera and stuff, but I didn't really want to shove a camera in his face and his wife and all that stuff. But so as you can see, here is the 2019 KTM Duke 390, and I believe it's actually what, 372 cc's. It's got ABS. It's got a nice cool little dash. If you come over here, you can see, I don't know, it's probably got too much sunlight, but it also has some nice daytime running lights. They're on, you just can't really see them right now. But one of the best things that I like about this bike is that it is it's a naked bike. I love being able to see the frame. I love the two-tone. The front cage is orange and the rear cage is white. And so right off the bat, I've already got Competition Works, cat delete coming, silencer delete, and then kind of like it was a pro race dump pipe is coming. I am going to get a new ergo seat, and then I also have the Powertronics
Fuel X.
Yeah, I have the Fuel X coming, and then eventually we'll move on to the actual Powertronics ECU tuning. So yeah, I'm super excited to have the Duke 390 on the channel. I heard this thing is an absolute fun bike to ride on the street or on the track. So, and then if you guys have been following me on Instagram, My buddy Nathan bought a 2018 one, and I rode it home for about an hour, and ever since then I was like, all right, this is the next bike. And although I was saving up to get the 2022 Honda Monkey, there's no ETA when it's going to be in stock, so I figured for the time being this would be a great bike to step up to you know, more power, and I can ride on the highways at 70 plus miles an hour with no problem. So let's go ahead and get to the gas station, get this thing filled up. We got about an hour and a half, a little over an hour and a half ride home, so I'm excited to get some seat time. All right, so we are at our first little pit stop. We had to get some gas for the Duke. The Duke only had I think half a tank on it, so we got some gas. We stopped somewhere off at a gas station here in Mobile, and I was noticing that like the rear tire just wasn't feeling right, and it was, and the service light came on, and we had to put 10 pounds of air in the rear and then 10 pounds in the front. So hopefully the bike will ride a lot better than that. And about a half a tank to it's $4.99 a gallon here, so put a little over $10 and put the Duke on full. So we're gonna head back home, and yeah. All right, made it back to Nate's place. He's gonna drop off his stuff, and we're actually gonna go for a ride today. So you can see his does have a graphics kit, and he has like some off-road, on-road tires versus the tires that I have. Those are actually Shinko's. Not really sure what tires these are, but no real difference between actually zero difference between the 2018 and the 2019. He just has the white graphics kit. So I probably put on the way here, I had a bunch of seat time. I probably put like, I don't know, 150, almost 150 miles on it. About 150 miles. Was averaging about 66 to 69 miles per gallon. So not too bad at all. I'm gonna hop on the bike, and we're gonna end the video at my house. So let's go. All right. What do you think about the bike?
I actually like it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
I like the color.
Yeah.
I like it better than the green.
It's all factory too, so it's called a naked bike, because you see how the frame and everything's exposed.
Oh yeah.
I like how they did the orange half like that and the white half like that.
The rims.
Yeah.
These are
All factory. That's how the bike comes. It has definitely warmed up here in Florida. It had a shed a layer. It's like 78, 79 degrees out. So I'm waiting on Nate to pull up. We're about to go for a ride on the Duke. So comment down below and let me know what kind of content would you want to see. Like I mentioned, we do have the competition works, cat delete, the silencer delete, and then the pro race, a little dump tube if you want to call it. And then we're working with the Powertronics on that Fuel X. That's coming. Other than that, man, I really love this bike. I can't wait to get some more seat time on it. And I know a lot of people probably were not expecting the Duke 390. So, and we definitely have got to get rid of that fender. That is just hideous. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Like I said, I love the way the bike looks as it sits. So comment down below and let me know what I should do to the bike. I'm probably gonna get some sliders to put on the bike. But other than that, man, I really enjoyed the bike, and I gotta clear out some garage space so we can get in there with the other bikes. But yeah, thank you all so much for stopping to the channel. Make sure you go and check out shopttours.com and get you guys a t-shirt, and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.